lemon flavored rum, grapefruit juice, and tonic water makes a Sol Cubano Ilrandés. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my lemon rum. It's going to be 40 milliliters or 1 1/3 ounces into my Collins glass. 40 milliliters or 1 1/3 ounces of fresh squeezed grapefruit juice. I'm going to add some ice to the glass. Even that one. Give it a little stir. And top it off with the tonic water. This version of the Sol Cubano did not have a garnish, so I'm going to use no garnish. Just add a straw, and there you have it. A Sol Cubano Irlandés. Drink with good spirits.